Welcome to the Car Girl. In this film, I am going to help you make your home ready for that time when you go from thinking about having an electric car to actually owning one. What will you need to welcome your first EV? And where can you get the best system and support? Here is my foolproof guide to making you and your home ready for your electric car in 3 simple steps. Full electric vehicles can use a 3-pin plug to recharge, but it's an incredibly slow process, taking about 18 hours or more, as well as potentially putting a strain on your home's electric system. So the quickest and easiest way to charge your EV at home is to have a charging point fitted. As well as convenience, these work out to be more cost effective because you can make use of off-peak tariffs by scheduling your charges. These are boxes full of electrical magic that can be fitted to the outside of your house or wherever is most convenient. The outside wall of my garage, for example, is perfect for me. When it comes to the shape and design of a home charging point, well, they vary. But if you take as much pride in the outside as you do the inside of your home, then look no further than British-based company Andersen. Its stylish Andersen A2 is super slim and has a lightweight cable that's cleverly stored inside the unit, which is a great feature because I have tripped over too many cables in my time. There are over 12 colour combinations for the fascia and sides, including premium wooden fascias, metal front and sides. There are wood and metal textures as well. Oh, so much to think about. Ah, found it. The carbon finish. Perfect. Having done some research into my own charging point needs, I do know that most homes have a single phase electric supply, so a 7 kilowatt charging point will be the right one for most of us. Fitting your charging unit could be done by your own electrician, or if you choose an Andersen A2, then the company's support system involves a virtual or telephone consultation and a home survey leading up to the big day of the installation itself, which typically can take between 4 to 5 hours from start to finish. This is the best bit. With your thoughtfully chosen charging system gracefully adorning your wall and getting on with the job of charging your electric car, you can sit back and relax and control it all from the comfort of your favourite chair.